Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, and I am back again with another useful tutorial. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can set up a Facebook page for your business. Alright, so Facebook has now 2 billion monthly users, and that gives you an amazing opportunity to reach out to new customers and to expand your business. So alright, let's get started with the video. So first of all, you just have to go to facebook.com, the official page, and simply log in to your Facebook account. So using your personal Facebook account, we will create a Facebook business page. Alright, you don't need to create a separate account for that. So yeah, log in to your account, and once you log in, you will see the news feed, all right, the entire section. And then from the options given at the top right corner, you have to click on create. Here it is. All right, then select page, as we are going to create a page. So that's the main area where you are going to enter the information about your business, like what will be your page name. So your page name will describe your business, so you can see keep the same name as your business or whatever you want to keep. Then you have to enter the category under which your business falls. All right, and after that you just have to enter a short description about your business, like what people can expect out of your business, or what things you sell, what services you give. All right, so just enter a short description, that's it. And then click on create page. So this will create your page format, but we have to do several other things to make it go live. All right, so yes, your page was created. Now you can add images and other details about your business. So just let's proceed further now. So now here you can add your profile picture, the cover photo for your page. Alright, so as you can see the option add profile picture, click on that, and now you can select the picture that represents your business. Alright, and then further you have to add the cover photo. Alright, so in the same way you have to add a cover photo that again talks about your business. All right, so once you have added the picture, make sure you are getting the right settings, like you can shift the photo as per your requirement and then click on save. So yeah, you have given your profile an image and a cover photo. All right, as you can see right here. Now you can also edit your profile picture whenever you want. All right, now after that, here you will see an option that says add a button. So using this option, you can add the services that you want to provide to your customers, like book now, call now, or contact us. You can give your contact link, your website, send email option, that where they can send you an email. So whatever your business is about, you can add a button regarding that. All right, now moving on, let's go to edit page info, and here you can add further details about your page. So here you can add your phone number, your business phone number, your email address, your website if you have one. All right, and then the location of your business. So if your business has a physical location, you can add that here as well. All right, so that was it. Let's move on. now we will see how you can create a username. So a username is unique for every page, and you can create one for your page as well. All right, so enter something that is unique. All right, so like I'm entering right now, and after that you will see a green check mark if it is accepted by Facebook, and then click on create username. So yeah, your username has been created. All right, click on done and you are good to go. So that was all for this video. All right, if you have any further queries, you can mention down in the comment box below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.